Now, have you been struggling to get US number, or you have watched several videos out there that doesn't work? In this video, I want to show you how you can easily get US number for free. Without wasting much of your time, I'll be showing you two methods on this very video, right? I'll be showing you how you can get this number for free. Also, I'll be showing you how you can get this number for paid, right? It's two methods, right? Now, this method I'm going to be showing you right now does not require any VPN or bypassing anything, right? You'll be downloading the app and you'll be accessing your number straightforward, right? There is no hidden charges, there's no bypassing, there is no VPN. Now, before we jump properly into this video, if you are seeing me for the first time, in this very channel, I share videos around ways you can make money online, related tech video, business video, and several ways to increase your earning potential in the internet. For more amazing videos like this, right, subscribe, like this video, and also share this video to someone right there who is looking for this opportunity, right? Now, let's jump right properly into this video. Now, getting a US number has never been so easy right now with this very platform, right? Now, with this very platform, you can easily get a public number, a private number, and a free number or a paid number, everything right here for you. Now, you don't easily need a VPN or you don't need to bypass any single thing to have access to this very number, right? I'll be showing you the platform, the Telegram platform, and how you can get number fast from this very platform to verify any such account you want to use it for. So with that said, let's jump right into this very platform. In this video, I'll be telling you this platform, how you can download this app, where you can get it, and how you can join their Telegram group. Make sure you watch this video to the very end without skipping any part, because I'm going to be sharing everything in details, right? Now, getting this number is very easy. What you have to do is to download this app, of which I'm going to be showing you very shortly, right? Once you download this app, you have access to this app. You don't even have to create an account with this app if you don't want to create, or you can easily create an account with them. This is very important. So once you download this app, the first thing you want to do is to log in or register an account with them. So as you can see right now, it's asking me login is required. I'm going to click on OK, and you can easily log in an account, and you can choose not to log in an account. You can also have access to the public number right away. If you don't simply have an account with them, what you have to do is to click on create an account, right? These are for those who don't have an account with them. Put in the Gmail address you want to create, click on sign in, right? And it's going to load up for you, and you're going to sign in into a new fresh account. So the next thing you want to put in is to put in your password right here. So once you have created a free account with them, the next thing you're going to do is to join their Telegram group, right? Just like this way, right? This Telegram group is one of the safest and the fastest way to get a free number once it's updated. So once you click on this very link right here on this very place, you click on join now, you will stay updated with any new number which is posted on this very platform. As you can see right here, newly published phone number. Any number that drop in this very platform, you'll be notified in your Telegram account that a new number just dropped, and you can easily go over right there, take the number to register or verify any account of your choice or any verification of your choice, right? So once you join the Telegram group, you'll be updated with any trend and any new update they have. Now, the first free numbers you can access is called the public numbers. Now, these public numbers is where you can access free numbers you don't have to even pay a single dime for, and you can use them to register and verify any account of your choice. As you can see right now, these are the trending number right now, which is the United Kingdom, which is the UK, USA, right? We have Canada, we have Poland, we have Puerto Rico, France, Romania, Estonia, right? These are Finland, these are Spain, Russia, Ukraine. These are several countries you can easily have access to right now, right? What you want to do is to click on the country you want to have access to. Then let's say you want to have access to UK, which is United Kingdom number. Click on UK. It's going to load up, and it's going to load all the numbers on this very country, right? Now, these are new number which is added recently. If you also go over to the Telegram group, you also see these numbers which are newly added. Click on the new number that was added. As you can see right now, these are the numbers. These numbers are working perfectly. All you have to do, as you can see, the status of this number is active, which is the number is working 100%. All you have to do is to come over to this copy button right here. Click on this copy button, as you can see at the top of this very corner right here. Click on this copy button. The number is going to be copied into your clipboard, and you can take it to whatever platform to register to verify the account, right? As you can see, this number is working 100%, and these are other people who are using this number to verify their cloud, their Facebook, TikTok, and other accounts. As you can see, this is a Facebook, right? This is a Facebook verification code. Your verification code is, this is the number right here. This is cloud OTP, right? This is TikTok. TikTok again, InDrive, both. Now these are people, AliExpress, these are people who are using it to verify their platform and their account right away. Now this is a trick on how to get the best out of these very free numbers, right? Make sure you join their Telegram group and you stay updated with all their updates right there. So immediately they release any new numbers, you'll be the first to know. Take that number and you'll be the first to use that number to register your WhatsApp account, Telegram account, and whatsoever account you want to use it to register before anybody else use it to register the same account you want to register. That way you have your OTP and your verification code instantly and you can verify that platform immediately. Now this is applicable to other numbers right there, US number, Poland, whatever number you want to use. Just click on the country you want to get the numbers from and all the numbers is going to show there. Click on the numbers, then you can use it to register and verify whatsoever account you want to use it for. Now, if you are not satisfied with this number or you think this number is public and is visible to everyone and you want a private number that is only accessible and viewable by only you, all you have to do is to get a private number for yourself. And to get this private number, you have to pay a certain amount of money, which is a little amount of money to have access to this very private number. If you want to have access to that, click on this private number. Right now, this is the paid session I told you about in this very video, of which is not going to cost you anything at all. Right, once you click on that private number, you can see list of countries available. Right, these are US special offers. Right, what you have to do is very simple. So all you have to do is to click on this very country, the country you want to get this number from. Click on it. So once you click on the country, it's going to just show you every one of them. And this is a one-time subscription of which you don't have to pay any recurring payment on these very numbers. And you can get each of these numbers for as low as $1.49 in a month, right? $1.49 in a month. Now, convert it to your local currency, you see that that is just a little money, right? Now, you can get any of this number. Click on the number, right? And you can see that our service support unlimited SMS, right? The guaranteed delivery and all that. So click on OK. Once click on OK, you can easily get this very number. You can get this number. Now, if you click on buy it now, you can see that you can easily get this number for 2,718 naira. Right, click on one type buy and you can just easily verify your purchase, and this number is yours for use. Right now, this platform is called temporary number eSIM. Now, to download this platform is very simple. Go over to your Google Play Store and easily type temporary number on Google Play Store. Temp number, right? Temp number. Once you click on temp number, you are going to see the app right here, which is this very app right here. Right? Click on the app, download the app, and you can easily open the app and have access to it. As you can see, temporary number right here. Right now, this is the very app. I'll be leaving the link to download this app in the description in case you don't have access to it on your Google Play Store. I will leave the link in the description of this video. Click on it, it will lead you straight to this very platform where you are going to download the app and you can easily have access to this very app. You can get this number for public numbers or you can get it for private number, which is your private number for use for just $1.49. But if you go for public, you have access to this number for free and you can use it to verify any platform of your choice. Now, if you want to get access to private number and you don't have any money to purchase the private number, what you have to do is very easy. You can easily accumulate coins by coming to free coin center right here on this very platform to accumulate coins to get a free number. As you can see, claim your free number right here by getting 400 coins. Right now I have 0 coins right now, and they are telling me to get over 400 coins to have a free number, a free private number. All I have to do is just very simple, complete every task right here by checking in daily and doing other tasks right here which they have placed on this very platform. If I check in daily right now, I can have access to daily coins right here on this very platform. As you can see right now, just checking, I just have 1 coins right now. So you can complete the rest tasks on this very platform, as you can see right now, and get over 400 coins on this very place, of which you can use on this very aspect right now, of which you can use to get a free private number. Right now, this is the full tutorial of this video. I believe this video was valuable to you. I believe you learned something new from this very video. So guys, now this is the easiest way you can get US number for free and for paid. Right, you don't need to go through the stress of changing your location, downloading a VPN, or bypassing anything whatsoever. Right now, with this very platform, you can get US number for free and you can also get US number for paid if you want to. Right, the money you are paying is just little compared to what you are getting. Right, so guys, I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please, I would like you right now, subscribe if you have not done so, please. If you have any questions for me, if you have any concern, you have any challenges going through these numbers, getting these numbers, or paying for this number, feel free to drop the questions in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you right there in the comment section, right? And if you find value from this video, let me know in the comment section. I will appreciate your comment. Thank you in advance, right? With this said, I'll see you in my next video. Click here right now to access these videos, and I will see you right there, right? Bye for now.